Building a PC. See, I feel like building a PC requires a lot of effort. So, me personally, I'm building a PC soon because I want to start playing games on the channel and I need a PC for that. So, I'm going to buy the parts and um, I'm going to buy the parts and I'm going to order it. Also, I need a webcam. Also, I need a monitor, mouse, keyboard. Because the PC, that's the main thing, but you need all that other stuff too. PC, keyboard, mouse, webcam, all that stuff, bro. So, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna have my friend help me on it. I'm gonna have my friend help me on it when the parts come in. When the parts come in from Amazon. I don't think y'all realize how tired I am, bro. I had a long day at school. And if y'all know me, y'all know I do not like school, bro. But it's my last year, so I can't really complain. I know a lot of people that are excited to finally be like, yeah, that year's over. Yeah, it's over, bro. Like, finally, man, finally. But definitely seen a lot of cute girls in the hallways. They didn't say anything to him yet, though. But eventually, I will. I don't know if y'all ever get this feeling, but it's like you'll see a girl. You'll see a girl that you like potentially want to date, and you'll just fold talking to her, bro. But it's like you'll see a girl that you don't want to date. You'll talk to her just fine. And I feel like we do that because, like, us dudes do that because we're trying to, like, subconsciously, we're trying to impress them. Subconsciously, we're literally trying to impress them. That's why we get, like, fold, like, when we see a girl that we can actually get with. But yeah, it's so much easier to talk to people, like, talk to girls that you don't actually want to get with because you're not trying to, like, impress them or nothing like that. I know every dude can relate to that one too. Also, why is bringing a lunch as a dude to school so embarrassing for no reason, bro? It's like you have a lunchbox. It's like it's less embarrassing to just bring a bag to school, a bag of lunch to school. As a dude, it's so embarrassing to walk around with a lunchbox. So I have no idea why. It's not even something you should get embarrassed by. Like, we could be the most, like, confident we ever felt, bro. But if we have a lunchbox in our hands, bro, we're cooked. I don't know what the freak it is with lunchboxes and embarrassment, but it's just something correlates right there. I don't know what the freak it is, bro. Enough of that. I'm going to start playing games on the channel because I'm going to start playing games on the channel, make it more interesting. And that's what I'll be doing once I get my PC. So I know y'all can comment down below what games you want me to play, stuff like that. I know y'all are gonna be excited for that, and I'm excited for it too. So y'all comment down below any videos you want me to react to, any games you want to play. I got y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.